If you want paid promotion, just talk about it.
Okay. Okay, today we're going to be talking about quick shine. See that? Quick shine stuff. It's cool. Okay, I already put one coat on, but I'm going to show you how to apply this stuff.
Do you want me to show them the difference?
It's real easy. Yeah, show them the difference.
That is with the shine, and that is without it.
Okay, so we're gonna start applying it because the baby's gonna cry soon, so we gotta hurry. So I just put a little terry cloth. I just tied it around this Clorox little scrubber thing.
For the shower.
Yeah.
Improvise.
And so this is the floor shine. See it?
Quick shine.
I think you can get it online, and I think you can get it at Home Depot too. It's really good.
Took out the carpet because we have little ones, and sometimes they pee on carpet, and this was not very nice.
Hardwood, laminate, LVT, tile, and stone. Doesn't come out and say concrete, but it is a safe formula for safe in kids and pets. It's a safer choice for a quick shine.
Okay, so that's done. See the difference between here and here?
Second coat, first coat.
Then I missed that spot before. So it's good to put a second coat on because then you can get the spots you missed.
Yep.
Just gives it a fresh look.
Three minutes ago.
So if I can do it, you can do it. So try it!
With
Love.
quick shine.
Quick shine. Quick shine. Love and quick shine. They go together. Later.